Hello everyone. Let's talk about personality development or personality grooming. प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति कैसे बने? Now this program is perfect for you if you have ever said anything like I want more out of life but don't know what to do, or I have goals but they seem so far away. I have a lot of good ideas, but they never follow through with them. I feel like I was meant for more. I was meant to do great things, but I'm stuck. I don't even know what I want. I just know I want more in life. I struggled to stay focused and constantly procrastinate. अगर इन सब लाइंस में से कुछ भी आपको लगा कि आपके दिमाग में इस तरीके की बातें आती हैं, then this program will really help you to come out and develop yourself, develop your personality. Personality 3 तरीके की है: physical, mental, body language. ओवरऑल हमें सब कुछ इम्प्रूव करना है, तो हमारी पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, पर्सनालिटी ग्रूमिंग उसी को बोलेंगे. कैसे शुरू होगा ये? पहले हमें समझना होगा कि टू चेंज एनीथिंग व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक बिहाइंड इट. सो योर पर्सनालिटी, माई पर्सनालिटी, इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ the self-image, Atma-Chavi. Everyone has a specific mental portrait that defines who he or she is and what we believe in. This mental portrait is a result of our past experiences, our success, our failure, feelings and behavior. The 4 quadrants: success, failures, feelings, and behavior. As a result, this self-image represents a foundation on which we build our personality. हमारी जो आत्म छवि है वो इन 4 पिलर्स पे बनती है: सक्सेस, फेलियर, फीलिंग एंड बिहेवियर. हमारे पास्ट में जो भी हुए हैं. Now the thing is, most people let past experiences define them in a negative way. Therefore, they end up behaving in a way that's not coherent with who they really are, but only with who they think that they are. However, this mental distortion can be overcome, and that's why we will learn here to adopt a new method for better defining ourselves and living life according to the person that we really meant to be. We have to construct a new self-image, the one which resembles us to the closest. What we fail to understand is that every one of us was born for success. Every human being has that internal greatness that is just waiting to be unleashed. And let us now go further to understand that this is all due to paradigms. Our next step is to rewire our own brain. And for doing so, we have to have an understanding on the term paradigm and how does it work. So friends, this is just an introduction to personality grooming. The term in itself contains lot of information, lot of things for you to do, to practice and to groom up. So stay tuned with me. With upcoming video, I will help you in understanding what is paradigm and how does it work and how it is connected to your self-image. and how finally it affects your personality. So, thank you for now. Bye bye.